In this video, we're continuing on from the last video, looking at resource development, and in this video, we're looking at stock resource evaluation, followed by answering some exam-style questions. So, firstly, we're going to look at what stock resources are, which we learnt a bit about them in the previous video, and stock resources are those which have a finite supply and they are formed over millions of years and they're usually found in the Earth's crust. So stock resources are mainly mineral deposits found in or on the Earth's crust, and mineral resources are a concentration of naturally occurring organic material and fossil fuels, and they are very valuable and they can be found in solid, liquid or gaseous states, and they can be either inorganic or fossilized organic material as well, and this includes precious metals such as silver and gold, as well as mineral ores such as iron and copper, and so this is some copper ore here, and also includes fossil fuels such as coal, oil and gas. And mineral deposits are potentially valuable, especially when they are discovered in sufficient quantity and of such a grade, which means the quality, that there can be reasonable prospects existing for their economic extraction, so they can be mined and then sold on for their specific regions. For example, fossil fuels are used for energy, so they are mined and then used for energy production. The next thing we're going to learn about is that there is a distinction between resources and reserves, and the term resources relates to all deposits of mineral resources, whether they are discovered or undiscovered, or whether they're discovered but are unviable economically. So essentially it includes all potential resources that exist on the earth, no matter whether they've been discovered or they haven't been discovered yet. But on the other hand, we have reserves, and it's important not to confuse these two terms. But what reserves are these are the parts of the resource space that we just looked at, which are constrained by economic viability and also being technically feasible to extract. So the reserves are the places that we have access to that are available for use as part of the resource base. And the distinction between reserves and resources can become quite blurred because...
Hi guys! To continue watching this video and unlock hundreds of other super concise and exam board specific A-level geography videos, just click the button. Join me today and together let's make A-level geography a walk in the park.